Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use the DeepSeek Proxy in Janitor AI so you can access some of the most powerful and cost-effective AI models for your roleplay session. While the Janitor LLM is great, using a DeepSeek Proxy through a service like openrouters allows for deeper reasoning and more creative response, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. The first thing you need to do is create an account on openrouter.ai to get your unique API key. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon and select the keys section. From the drop-down menu, click the blue Create Key button, give it a name like Janitor AI, and then make sure you copy the entire key immediately because it will be hidden forever once you close the window. While you are on OpenRouter, it is a good idea to search for a specific DeepSeek model you want to use, such as DeepSeek R1 or DeepSeek V3, and copy its exact model ID, which usually looks like DeepSeek/DeepSeek R1. Now head over to the Janitor AI website and open any character chat. Like click on the three lines in the top right corner to open your API settings. In the API Provider drop-down menu, select the proxy option and click on Add Configuration. For the configuration name, you can type something simple like DeepSeek Proxy. In the proxy URL field, you must enter the exact address, openrouter.api v1 chat completion, to tell the Janitor AI where to send your messages. Next, you need to paste your OpenRouter API key into your API key field and type the model ID you copied earlier into the model name section. If you want to use the free version of the model, make sure you add a colon and the word free at the end of an ID, like DeepSeek/DeepSeek R1 colon free. Once all the fields are filled in, scroll down and click Save Settings.